Welcome traders! Today we are diving into the world of trading, uncovering the secrets that led traders to success. Whether you're a professional trader or just starting, this video is packed with valuable insights. Let's get started. First, let's explore 3 key reasons why traders succeed. Successful traders are lifelong learners. They understand the importance of acquiring knowledge about the markets, economic trends, and specific industries. In-depth research helps them make informed decisions, giving them a competitive edge. By staying well-informed, traders can identify potential opportunities and navigate through market volatility with confidence. Discipline is the cornerstone of successful trading. It involves setting clear goals, following well-defined strategy, and sticking to risk management. This ensures that emotions will always clear during volatile market conditions. Effective risk management helps traders protect their capital and stay in the game for the long run. The markets are dynamic and ever-changing. Successful traders adapt to evolving conditions by staying open to new strategies, tools, and technologies. They recognize that what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Embracing lifelong learning keeps traders ahead of the curve, ensuring they remain competitive in a constantly shifting landscape. So there you have it, 3 reasons why traders succeed. Remember, trading is a journey, and learning from the successes is the key to long-term success. Until the next video, happy trading! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave your feedback in the comments below. For more success stories that can help you become a better trader, click here. If you're interested in our educational content, click here. And of course, if you don't want to miss out on any new videos, don't forget to subscribe here. See you in our next video.